Romantic getaway destinations in the Philippines that men might consider for a wedding proposal. Looking for the perfect place to propose in the Philippines? From serene lakeside cottages to breathtaking island retreats, the Philippines offers a wealth of romantic destinations that blend natural beauty with natural charm. Naghahanap ka ba ng perpektong lugar para mag-propose ng kasal sa Pilipinas? Mula sa tahimik na mga cottages sa tabi ng lawa hanggang sa kahanga-hangang isla, ang Pilipinas ay puno ng romantikong destinasyon na may mga natural na kagandahan at kultural na kahalagahan. Your support will help me create more content. Support me here on Patreon /Learn Tagalog Filipino. Thanks to our supporters, Dangles, Eli Bueno, Jack DeHoog, and Trey.